one of the most powerful way to showcase your product or service to your customers is sending your catalog. You can use high quality images that showcase your product in the best possible way. Make sure the images are clear, well lit, means nicely prepared, and shows your product from multiple angles or in the neatest way possible. So I'm just gonna switch my screen to my mobile again, and as you can see, I'm on my WhatsApp business. I am on my settings, and I'm gonna open catalog here. Okay, as you can see, this is my display picture. It says unknown, which is not good thing for now. It says send product and services to your customer and save space on your phone. Wow. By using this feature, you are using Facebook product and agreeing to the terms and conditions of Facebook and WhatsApp commerce policy. That's fine by me. So I'm going to click on plus, add new item right away. It asks me legal name of the business. So I'm going to name it as, okay, Mayang Batra was fine. Business type, I can go for sole proprietorship. My address is there, that's fine. Customer care information, landline phone number, I'm just gonna add my number. Please don't call me on my number. Okay. There you go. Alrighty. By the way, my battery is 100%. You can't see it here, but yes, my battery is 100% right now. Grievance information, I can give that. Okay, copy the details from the previous one, and that's easy. Not a big deal. And finish grievance information. That could be me. There you go. What else? That's it. I'm gonna click on next because now I have updated the details. Information accuracy. By continuing, you confirm that all the information that you have provided is correct and current. You're required by law to update this info on WhatsApp if it ever changes, which is very nice thing from their end to say. And I'm really wondering, like, does Facebook follows the laws of India? Okay, never mind. So here we are. And as you can see, they have asked me to update an image here. They're asking me to update the item name, price, description, country of origin, and many other things like more fields. We are going to explore more fields, so don't worry about it. And I might have to pause this for a moment because I need to select a good picture. So excuse me for that. Okay, so I'm back. By selecting the right image, you can add more images. You can create these images on Canva or get a hire a designer and ask them to create. I have many more, events and workshop images that I don't want to upload it here since we are delivering this content on behalf of iJaipuria. So I've updated one of my events images that I attended in 2023 just few days back. Machines can see based on an AI. Let's say I want to sell complete AI program for digital marketing. I guess that's fine. Price, I'm gonna keep my price somewhere around 4,999. Sounds fair enough. Description. Okay, I can write big description on my laptop, my MacBook, and then copy paste it here. That's not a big deal, but here I will write some good description. This program is for anyone who wants to become a digital marketer or serve a company or start their own agency. Freelancers and gig. Okay, freelancers. Let me just okay, that's real-time improvisation, so don't mind. I'm looking down, not on the camera because my phone is here, so please don't mind. Yeah, it looks good, right? And freelancers who want to leverage AI tools and tools. Okay, this program is for anyone who wants to become a digital marketer, serve a company, start their own agency, and freelancers who want to leverage AI tools to make good money with maximum efficiency and less efforts in less time. I guess that is what AI is doing. And I can put some tick checks, right? Learn chat GPT. Okay, sorry about that. Google's latest AI tool, that is Bard. AI image creator, AI ad copy creator, and AI lead generator tools. Wow, that's crazy. Country of origin, it's gonna be mine. I love it. And I can hide this item if it is not in existence without deleting it. That's fine by me. I just need to come back and edit. But I will currently explore more fields. I can type some website here where people will be landing it. So let's say I'm typing right now iJaipuria.com, and item code name is going to be 0011. Save. Now what just happened? I created a fresh catalog with all the information that was possible. I deleted all my previous catalogs. Now, do you see this boost button? If I click on this boost button, they are still in review, but once this is there, this catalog will be promoted on Facebook and Instagram. And I can click on share link, and all my products will be shared right away to anyone on WhatsApp. Let's say I want to share myself. I call myself millionaire, so that's fine. Number one way to share all my products and services in a single catalog is this, and how it looks. Let me show it to you.